I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Drive and signing in, then create the Classroom folder or link Classroom now. Upload the syllabus and first lesson immediately so students have something to access. Once done, set folder permissions, viewer for most, editor for co-teachers, so collaboration works. Make sure to name files clearly with dates and module numbers. This reduces confusion later. You'll be ready to invite students after this quick setup, and you'll understand why consistent naming speeds every future step. Now you organize materials into weekly or module subfolders so students find things intuitively. Create a naming convention like YIMMDD module title. Use docs and slides for editable assignments and forms for quick quizzes because they auto-collect responses. Once created, attach items to classroom posts or share folder links. Make sure to set share restrictions to prevent accidental edits. Also, link a Google Sheet for grades and automated feedback so you can track progress without juggling. Finish by inviting students and setting clear roles, student, co-teacher, or viewer, then post the first assignment with due dates. Once done, emphasize where to find materials and how to submit work to avoid confusion. If something goes wrong, check ownership and permission conflicts first. Make sure files aren't in someone else's drive. Also, clear browser cache or try incognito to fix sync issues. If sharing still fails, reshare as a new link and notify students. That usually resolves stubborn access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.